Hello, third graders. Today's learning target is I can research to build knowledge about solutions for the importance of conserving water. Today, you will read and research to answer the question, why is conserving water important? Here are the things you will need. Text from days 11 to 27, journal page 14 for day 28, and a pencil. What is an opinion? 1. An opinion tells your point of view, thoughts, feelings about a topic. How to write an opinion paragraph. First, you gather facts and evidence from different texts. How to write an opinion paragraph. Next, you state your opinion based on the essential question. Essential question. Why is conserving water important? Here is what you can say. I think conserving water is important because. Now, let's reread articles from your unit to begin your research for your opinion essay. Access to water. Access to fresh water. It is a desperately worrying statistic that nearly 1 billion people in the world lack clean, healthy drinking water. Residents in the UK can turn a tap and access safe drinking water whenever they like, but the situation is very different from the people in Africa. Every day, millions of people in Africa, usually women and girls, walk miles to have access to any water at all. The length of time it takes to collect the little water they can get means that they do not have time to do anything else during the day. Children do not get a chance to have an education simply because they are too busy collecting water. To make matters worse, the only water they have access to is from streams and ponds. The water is usually full of disease and makes themselves and their families very sick. Adults face the decision on a daily basis between dehydration and sickness from the water they drink. Even worse, they have to face this decision for their children. Water pollution. Water is important. Rain keeps plants alive and allows them to grow. People and other animals need water to survive. We also use it for other purposes, such as fighting fires. It is important to take care of Earth's water. People are the main cause of water pollution. Although sometimes it occurs naturally, littering and dumping trash lead to dirty and unusable water. Polluted water makes people, plants, and animals sick. Would you want to drink and play in polluted water? Conserving water, important to humans and to the planet. Earth's water. Water everywhere. Water fills oceans, lakes, and ponds, and it flows in rivers, streams, and underground. It is even in the air. Frozen water is found on some parts of Earth as snow and ice. Water covers over 2/3 of Earth's surface. Salt water in oceans make up most of Earth's water. Earth has much less fresh water. Many plants and animals need fresh water to survive. Some of this fresh water is above ground, while other fresh water is groundwater underneath Earth's surface. What are some ways you use Earth's water? Now let's think about it. Why is conserving water important to humans and to the planet? Pause the video here and think about the question. Let's talk about this. 1. What is your opinion about access to water? Here is how you can start your sentence. I think access to water is. Pause the video here and talk about it with a friend or a parent. Now it's time to write about it. In your journal on page 14 on day 28, record your research about access to water. Day 28, Unit 2, Lesson 6. Research for opinion paragraph. Your opinion paragraph should answer the essential question, why is conserving water important? When expressing your opinion, it helps convince your reader if you can back up your argument with facts and text evidence. Use the chart below to organize your research for your opinion paragraph. The first row has been done as an example. Copy the chart on notebook paper. Every time you find a new fact, add a new row. Use the text we provided from days 11 to 27 for your research. Here is the first guiding question. What is your opinion about access to water? Here is an example. My thoughts, opinion. Clean water is a right of all people. Now, write your own thought and opinion. Next, title of text. Here's the example. Real Lives Angola, Africa. Find a text title and write it here. Next, write the facts you learned. Here's the example. Lives of girls in Mabuya were improved with access to clean water. Find facts from the text that you found and add your facts here. Next, what is your opinion about water pollution? Here is how you can start your sentence. I think water pollution is. Let's write about it on your chart. Second question. What is your opinion about water pollution? Again, write your thoughts and opinion here. Find the title of the text that it refers to, and write the facts that you learned from the text that supports your opinion. Next question. Why is conserving water important to humans? Here's how you can start your sentence. I believe conserving water is important to humans. Add your thought and opinion on your chart. Find an article that supports your opinion. Write the facts learned from the article that also supports your opinion. Last question. Why is conserving water important to the planet? Here's how you can start your sentence. I believe conserving water is important to the planet. Add your final article here. Write your thoughts and opinion. Find an article that supports your opinion. Write the facts learned from the article.